Huizhou Jian Hardware Company Limited, located in Huizhou, Guangdong of China, mainly specializes in developing, manufacturing, and selling kinds precision custom parts, such as communication parts, toy parts, medical equipment parts. Our senior engineers have rich experience in the machining field, who went through a rigorous selection and training. A series of advanced and high-performance manufacturing equipment also has been brought into our workshop, such as turning lathe, high-precision CNC turning and milling machine, CNC machining center, grinding, stamping machines, wire cut machine, EDM, and many other CNC equipment imported from Japan and Taiwan, to especially develop and produce brass, aluminum, steel, stainless steel parts, stamping parts, and also a variety of mold making and processing. With years of experience in the hardware industry, perfect production and management system, also thoughtful and meticulous service, we have won the support and trust from our old and new customers. We have strict internal management systems and highly talented technicians who have rich working experience in fastener. In addition, we have set up several departments, including R&D, production, sale, and service. We always insist on the spirit of the good faith governs industry, innovates with joint forces. Thus, our corporation has won trust and compliments from customers. We are looking forward to good cooperation with partners at home and abroad and to creating a glorious future.